beautiful day today, and you know, friends and family, I want to prepare some watermelon smoothie and some watermelon juice. But before then, I have this huge watermelon in my garden, so let's go and harvest it and start our juice. Very huge. Oh my god, this is huge. Eesh. This one, no fertilizer. This is organic watermelon. I hope you get it. Okay, let's look at that. Very huge. Eesh. This no fertilizer, natural. So join me. In fact, I can't even carry it. Join me as I go to prepare some watermelon juice and some watermelon smoothie. You know I love smoothies and juices. Alright, so let's get started. Begin by rinsing my watermelon, and then these are my citrus fruits I'll be adding to my juice. So to begin with, let's divide our melon into two and see what's inside for us. So are you ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Oh my goodness, just look at that. Very red. Oh my god, so fresh. Yes, as red as watermelon. So I scoop the fruits from the outer covering, that's the rind, because that's what I'll be using as my pitcher. And just look at that, so fleshy. Watermelon is a delicious fruit, and it's so good for you and me. It contains about 92% of water, and it's so refreshing. So I blend my fruit to extract all the juice out of it. And melons are very good. They have high source of vitamin C and vitamin A. They are refreshing and very good for men. If you want to know what it does for men, please send me a comment below and I will answer you. So I do the first training. Yeah, I blended it with the seeds because the seeds are also medicinal. So this is the first training because I want to extract all the juice out of it. I want to enjoy the juice, the colorful and the reddish juice. I hope you understand. So here we are. Then I go for the second straining, and you can see how our juice is doing, so colorful, so reddish, so refreshing. Yes, if you want something to renew you, something to rejuvenate you, something to refresh you, just go in for this natural melon juice and you'll be grateful you did. Yeah, so this is after the second straining. And now my pitcher is ready. So I just transfer my juice into my pitcher. Yes, today I'm going natural. I'm a natural girl. I'm going natural. Yes, everything is natural. Yeah, I want to enjoy nature. I want to enjoy the natural juice. So I add my citrus. Yeah, that's my lemon and orange. I juice them and then add to the juice and then add the outer covering to it. I want to enjoy the zest from the lemon and the orange. You see how colorful it is? Yes. Melons helps improve our health, it boosts our immune system, and also helps in distressing. So I scrambled my mint and then I added to my juice. Yeah, I want to enjoy the mintiness of it, and then I stir them together for it to incorporate into each other. Yeah. So if you want something to rehydrate you, just go in for this natural juice. Then I add some ice cubes to it, which is optional. And just look at that, so colorful, so sweet, so reddish. Oh, so watermelon. I hope you understand. This is tasty and fresh where we prepare tasty meals with natural ingredients. So I also add my sparkling water to it. It's also optional. And then I stir them together. And just look at that. If you want something to cool you down, just go in for this. So I add these frozen melons I have chopped, and here we are. I couldn't have asked for more juice than this. My cameraman can't wait for me to serve him. So this is that. We are done. Please try your hands on it and send me a comment. Thank you so much for the likes, the comment, the subscriptions. I'm so grateful. If you are new to my channel, thank you for joining the Winnie team. Kindly click on the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. So see you in our next video as I enjoy this. Bye bye.